Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm currently packing right now for London. It is Monday, December 16th, I believe. And I leave tomorrow on Tuesday the 17th. My flight isn't until like 9 p.m., but we gotta pack because I have to leave at like 5 for the airport. And tomorrow is a whole nother day because I gotta get all my cat stuff together to take over to my parents. So yeah, today we are packing. I've been packing for the past hour and a half, so I'll update you guys. But I did vlog on my phone and on TikTok today, so I'll insert that right now. But basically, I just had my last minute appointment last week. I had facial massage, brow lamy, and hair. And then today on Monday, I had nails, wax, pedicure, spray tan, lashes. So I'll insert that right now. Come with me to all my appointments. I am currently prepping for my trip to London. I'll be gone for like 2.5 to 3 weeks. So I had a lot to get done. All of these were done on the same day, but I also had a facial, a massage, a brow appointment, and my hair appointment this past week as well. But I started off this video getting my nails done. He started off with my usual, which is like an S&S base, I think. So he just filled that in, and then we did gel over top. I was obsessed with how these turned out. I am so in love, like screaming, crying, throwing up. They are perfect. And then I didn't have time to get a pedicure, so I ended up going back later that day. I'll show you guys. But I stopped and got gas before my next stop. Don't look at my car. I'm so embarrassed I even showed it. It's so dirty, but we don't have time to get a car wash. So that's for another day. That's another day's issue and problem. But then I stopped by Sephora because I had some last minute shopping to do before my trip. I went in for one thing and ended up spending $200. But you know, it happens. And then I went into my wax appointment. I was a little bit early, slay. I didn't show anything in there, obviously, but then I went and got McDonald's after. I asked for a 6-piece, but they gave me 10, so I'm not complaining. But I am mad because they didn't give me my honey packet. They gave me honey mustard, and it's not the same. But then I headed back to the nail salon to get my pedicure. This is the same nail salon that I was just at a few hours prior, but I just got French on my toes, not the free feet content. Anyways, I just get like a little thin French, and then I headed over to my tanning salon, Suntan City, shout out. And I am so pale, you guys, so I needed to fix that. This is the before. And since I'm going to be gone for so long, I actually got more stuff than I normally do. I did double legs and hydration. This was the after, so much better. Then I went to my lash appointment. I was kind of exhausted at this point. And I saw my lash girl. I love her. Obviously, I have to close the door so we can yap away. But this was the before. And here's the after. They look so much better, so much more full. And I ended up getting home at 5:17. So that's a wrap on appointment day. Bye. But yeah, I got home and immediately started packing. I edited some TikToks and I had to call him back up, aka my wine glass, to help me with this packing situation because I'm so stressed. I also look horrible. Like the fresh spray tan and the big lashes are just not a good combo, but you gotta trust the process. So if you guys followed me back in the summer when I went to Europe for the first time, I went to 3 different countries and I ended up bringing 2 big suitcases and a carry-on. That was never doing that again. No. We are bringing 1 suitcase, which sucks because I have a lot of jackets I want to bring, and yeah, it's just a whole sitch. And I also am going to do some shopping while I'm there because duh. So I'm trying to pack as light as I can. But if you know me, you know that is not in my vocabulary, underpacking or packing like a normal person. So I'm trying my best over here. I'll give you guys a little overview. I think I've done everything except my clothes, which is going to take me the longest, obviously. Okay, let me give you guys an overview and then we'll start with the outfits. I have no outfits planned. I'm really just winging it, okay? I mean, I have clothes in mind and outfits in mind, but I don't have it written down in my notes like I should, but anyways. So right here is my big suitcase. The only thing in it is my makeup bag. So my best friend Michaela just got me this for Christmas. It comes with a mirror and it lights up. So that's amazing. I've got my long leather Steve Madden boots. Those have a heel, so I'm not sure how often I'm gonna get to wear those. And then I have these from Tony Bianco. These also have a heel, but they're really, really comfortable. These are not comfortable. And then I have my New Balances. just the ones I always wear. So those are the shoes I'm bringing, and I'm wearing my Uggs down there. I also have my personal item packed, so that's done. This is all my hair stuff because I obviously don't wash my hair every time I shower, so I didn't want it in with my normal toiletries and just taking up space and cluttering everything. So I just decided to put all my shampoo, conditioner, mask, aftercare, hair products, brushes, stuff like that in here in my shower cap and some clips. I also have my tights packed. I have these thermal ones that look like sheer, my Gucci tights, and some like Aritzia sheer tights. So those are good to go. I have my tanning stuff because I'm gonna be there for a while, and obviously this tan is not going to last that long. I have a bunch of Tide to Go pins because they don't have those in the UK or in Europe in general. So Luke's family really wants some. So I'm gonna bring a few packs. I think I've got 3 packs to give, like his parents, his sister, his uncles, stuff like that. So good on that. I've got all my vitamins in my carry-on. I've got this, which is a life hack. I put all my dirty clothes in here. It's not aesthetic or anything, but it works. I've got a belt. I might bring 2 belts. I don't know. I don't really wear belts that often, but. And I've got 3 beanies and some Lululemon gloves in here as well. All my jewelry, which, yeah, I'm bringing a lot. I don't know why I'm doing that, but yeah. I've got my Louis Vuitton backpack because when we're sightseeing and stuff, I like to wear this, or Luke likes to wear it. And then it's filled with a few purses and then my Chanel because I want to bring her, and then I've got my hair tools. So this is it for my carry-on. I'm leaving it like this with a little bit of space so I can shop. So yeah, that's everything so far. Oh, sorry, Luna. Sorry. She's freaking crazy. Look at her. And then I also have my toiletry bag full of stuff. Skincare, shower stuff, toothbrush, toothpaste, cleanser, dry shampoo, which should be with my hair. Okay, we're just gonna leave it in here. Yeah, my razor, some perfume, deodorant, all the necessities. So this is done, but I have to leave it out because obviously I need some of that stuff. But yeah, I think that's everything that I've got going on right now. She's acting crazy. What you doing? Yeah, I've got to figure the situation out. Oh, let me go get this bag. Oh my God, okay. I have this bag full of stuff that I need to bring. I've been like putting stuff in it as the week has gone by. Well, it's Monday, but for the past few days, I mean, like stuff that I washed and I knew that I wanted to bring, stuff like that. Which reminds me, I also have to put my laundry away. That's so fun. I guess I could show you guys the jackets that I'm gonna bring, because Luke's bringing, or he's already over there. So he's got 2 of my long Aritzia trench coats. And then he also has a fur jacket. So I need to bring a couple more, I'm not gonna lie. Ideally, these are what I wanna bring still, but we can't do all that. But I definitely wanna bring this fur coat. I'm going to New York after I get back from London. Like I literally fly from London to JFK. So I'm staying in New York for a few nights. So I just feel like that jacket's so New York. And then I've got this burgundy one. I wore this the other night. But this is New York, but also like, do I need it for like one outfit? So I don't know, maybe. My favorite leather jacket, I'll have a link down below. It's the best. So I'm definitely bringing that. But also it's gonna be too cold to wear that on its own, maybe. I don't know. And then both of my Aritzia Super Puffs, but one I'm gonna have to wear on the plane if I wanna bring both of these. So we shall see. She about knocked over my light. Luna, calm down, honey. I think she's excited that I'm leaving. I don't know which one to bring because I have a matching beanie for this one. So I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking so I can get some shit done. Okay, let's go. not happening. It's not happening. So I'm gonna bring another suitcase, which I know I said I was not gonna do because it was a lot last time, like money and just having to deal with another bag. But the good thing is I have a direct flight on the way there, so I won't have to worry about it. And then last time I was going to 3 different countries, so obviously I had to like repack all my stuff, so that's why it was a lot. But yeah, I mean, it's gonna be a lot, but at the same time, I've got Christmas presents, I've got jackets, I've got sweaters, everything's just thicker. I also don't know what I'm gonna be in the mood to wear. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna be doing shopping while I'm there, like a lot of shopping probably, so I'd just rather have more room than not enough. So I'm gonna finish packing tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do. This suitcase is full and I haven't even put my shoes in, my jackets, or my toiletry bag, or my hair bag, so that's why we need another suitcase. But I'm feeling defeated, I'm not gonna lie. I was so confident that I was gonna get everything like on one side of the suitcase, and that's just not happening. But you know, you'll live and you'll learn. I could condense for sure, because I can definitely do laundry while I'm there, but at the same time, I don't know. I think we're gonna bring another suitcase. So I'm gonna pick this up tomorrow. No ma'am. I'm gonna pick this up tomorrow because my parents are gonna get here at 3, bring me the other suitcase. I'm gonna finish packing. They're gonna help me load Luna's stuff up and then head to the airport. Or no, we gotta go back to their house first, get Luna situated, and then gonna head to the airport. So I've got some time. I'm a little stressed, I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna get it figured out. It's gonna be okay. Good night. Hi guys, it's the next day. It is 3:58. Oh shoot, we need to be leaving like now. My parents came by, brought me an extra suitcase. My mom and dad are taking some stuff down right now. They're both gonna be overweight, or at least one of them is, and you know what? I tried, that's all I'm gonna say. I know I need to get better at packing, but I did laundry. I put all my laundry away, which is good for when I get back. I did the dishes, I just didn't unload the dishes and put them away, but yeah, and then took the filter out of the Brita so that way it's good to go when I get back. I also washed my sheets, which I need to put on the bed, so mom's gonna help me do that really quick when she comes back. But yeah, I'm a little overwhelmed, I'm not gonna lie. I know I packed way too much, and I honestly just, there's nothing I can do about it. I'm gonna have room for shopping, which is good, but it's not gonna be a lot of room. But I packed all of Luna's stuff up. She's ready to go. My dad is bringing the little robot downstairs, and then we're gonna pack up my luggage and head to my parents' house, get Luna situated, and then head to the airport around 5:15, 5:30, because we are driving to Raleigh. That's the airport I'm flying out of. It's about an hour 15, hour 20 drive. So yeah, but I'm gonna end this video off here. It was very chaotic and didn't even show a lot. I didn't even show you guys the end result of my suitcase, but you guys will see in the vlogs over there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have everything that I showed listed and linked in the description box for you guys to shop. Also, my airport outfit is this and this. And then I could have worn one of my puffer jackets to save some room, but I'm gonna do that on the way back. So yeah, I need to text Luke and tell him to bring one of my jackets that he brought for me to the airport because it's gonna be cold. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I'm so excited, and I'm so sad to leave Luna. She was literally cuddling with me all morning, and her little head was resting on my chin, and my arm was around her. It was the cutest thing ever. So anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you in London. Bye guys.